Introducing the ROBUS Triumph Activate, the world's first 8-watt true dimmable driver-on-board fire-rated downlight. Evolution, the triumph of technology. Produced with a true driver-on-board and chip-on-board combination, the Triumph Activate provides the best in state-of-the-art LED technology. Combined with LED Croic, fire-rated, swift, dimmable and twist and lock technologies. LED drivers can now be fabricated using integrated circuit electronics on the same printed circuit board as the LED chips. This is called driver-on-board technology. This is a more advanced concept than simply enclosing or bolting on a traditional external driver. The Activate True driver-on-board technology integrates all power supply, driver components, power factor correction, dimmability, surge protection, and thermal management with the LED chip. All of these components are housed on the PCB, which is AC powered directly from the main supply. The ROBUS innovation of low-profile LED Croic 38-degree optic gives the traditional look of a dichroic lamp with the efficiency of LED technology. The LED Croic lens has a uniform light beam with gentle cutoff at extremities without any dark patches. It ensures minimal glare and delivers an even distribution of light with high CRI. Triumph Activate retains the integrity of fire-rated ceilings to comply with Part B of the 2014 building regulations and is 30, 60 and 90-minute fire-rated. Triumph Activate comes supplied with a high-quality white twist and lock detachable bezel. Chrome and brushed chrome bezels are also available for purchase as accessories. The ROBUS trademark LED Croic optic lens comes with 38-degree version as standard, with an optional 60-degree ROBUS LED Croic optic available separately. This is the first time these driver-on-board and chip-on-board technologies have been combined in such a unique way to create a true dimmable driver-on-board system. The wide flange covers many existing cutouts, making a great choice for retrofit, and the narrow main body fits into a wide range of voids. Triumph Activate is also IP65 rated, making this unique product the ideal lighting solution for installation in wet areas such as bathrooms. ROBUS has designed a customized heatsink for the Triumph Activate. The high surface area aluminium-thinned heatsink provides optimal heat conduction away from the components to ensure long service life, while the integrated insulation standoff avoids cold spots and ensures sufficient air gaps. Triumph Activate provides high output performance of up to 680 lumens at 8 watts, producing over 70% more light output compared to mains voltage halogen, while providing energy savings of up to 90%. The cost of running Triumph Activate for a year is only £36 versus £466 for a leading brand of GU 10 50-watt halogen fitting, which is a saving of £430 annually. Triumph Activate is easy and fast to install. The integrated ROBUS Swift connector system saves time and money by providing a fast and simple method of connecting an infinite number of standard and emergency fittings to the wiring infrastructure. The male connector is factory wired to the fitting, with the female connector included for site installation. It utilizes 4 poles, each of which is able to accept 3 by 2.5 mm squared conductors on the supply and has cable restraint for 3 by 4 core cables. Triumph Activate is suitable for PIR, photocell and microwave switching without compromise to LED life. This trailing-edge electronic dimmer optimized for LED loads is compatible with most recessed or surface back boxes and is suitable to be fitted to most white or decorative switch plates. This is available as an accessory. Emergency versions also available. Triumph Activate has an LED-rated lifetime of up to 50,000 hours and comes with a ROBUS 5-year warranty, making this a fit and forget long life LED lighting solution. For more information, go to www.ledgrouprobus.com/Triumph, where you will find a dedicated mini site for Triumph Activate, full of all information on Triumph Activate and our energy savings calculators to help you manage your lighting project. Evolution, the triumph of technology. Another quality product from LED Group.